Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to deploy a GitHub project on Netlify. All right, let's begin. First, go to netlify.com and click Deploy to Netlify. Choose the GitHub option and log into your GitHub account. If prompted, authorize GitHub to link with Netlify. Once connected, you may need to provide some basic information. Enter your name, how you're using Netlify, and your team name. Click Continue to Deploy and choose GitHub again. Once you log in, Netlify will request access to your repositories. You can allow access to all or choose specific repositories by clicking Only Select Repositories. Choose the project you want to deploy. Here we'll use a simple to-do list app and click Install. After installing, you may need to confirm with a password. Once completed, Netlify will redirect you back to your dashboard. You'll see your selected project listed. Click on it, then select Deploy to start the deployment process. Once deployed, click Get Started to access the back end of your site. So that's basically how you can deploy a GitHub project on Netlify. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.